Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Glad to have you if you're new and you're returning. Today we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing and try on. I didn't receive much makeup products, but I did use everything in my routine today. If you'd like to see how I got this look and also the items that I got in my box, and definitely keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that bell notification on so you can get notified when I post next. All right, let's get started. Here she is. So if you don't already know, it's a $25 beauty subscription. Comes with makeup, beauty products, skincare, all that good jazz. If you'd like to know more, I'll probably link down below. You can just search up Boxycharm. I definitely enjoy it. This is what my box looks like when you open it. Looks like that. And first thing that they put that you see is the card, which has everything that's inside and its prices. And this is my box. Little overview of everything. I'm gonna go in order of how I put everything on and use everything today, and I'll give you like the descriptions that are on the card and the prices and everything. So the first thing that came in my box were these masks, these Tony Moly masks. These masks are super cute. I really like the design on them, and I used one of them already. These Tony Moly I'm Real sheet masks. Replenish your skin with I'm Real sheet masks. The 3-layer pulp sheet is full with natural ingredients and soaked in different types of enriched essence to yield maximum hydration for your skin. Transform dull and tired skin into healthy, moisturized skin in as little as 20 minutes. And it says $9. I'm not sure if they're each $9 or if the set is $9. Not too sure. I did not leave mine for 20 minutes because obviously I was doing this video. I did leave it on, I would say, for like 10 minutes. The illuminating one did feel like tingly, like it was tingly after a while. So obviously it's working. But afterwards it definitely felt hydrating, and I basically just soaked it all up and patted it into my skin afterwards, and it actually felt really nice. So I can only imagine after like 20 to 30 minutes, which it says to leave it on for. I'm not a big skincare person, which is why I wasn't too satisfied with this box, but I also was really excited for like certain things in this box. And either way, I enjoy stuff, so there's that. And then I used the Elements Superfood Sika Calm Hydration Juice, loaded with vitamin-packed superfoods and 75% organic aloe. This gel moisturizer delivers instant cooling hydration, helps to soothe dehydrated or sensitive skin. The vegan-friendly formula moisturizes and improves the look of skin texture for a more even, calm, and balanced-looking complexion. Interesting. And this thing is $48. I don't like gel moisturizers, but I use this more as like an oil, like a serum, and then I'll go in with an actual thick moisturizer on top, and I've been liking that. It has a nice like natural scent, which a lot of people will like because if they're sensitive skin or sensitive to smells, they actually appreciate that. But I mean, it's not bad because I mean it's obviously natural scented, but yeah, I mean it's nice. It definitely cools the face, improves skin texture. So hopefully that works because I have a lot of texture on my skin, so hopefully that's the case over time. And then I got and used the Benefit Cosmetics the Professional Face Primer. Quickly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply this silky lightweight balm alone, under or over makeup. The translucent formula contains a vitamin E derivative known to protect skin from free radicals, and this is $32. Again, I will not pay $32 primer, which is also why I like getting Boxycharm, because it definitely allows you to use and try and have things that you wouldn't normally buy. And if you enjoy them, then you can actually spend your money on them rather than spending your money on it and end up not liking it and then just go to waste. I was really hoping for the hydrating one, but it's okay. also use this, and it had like a silicone feeling. It wasn't too bad. It smells nice actually, but it did smooth out my skin. I actually felt that. I'm not sure if I saw it, but I could feel it. So I'll definitely be looking at that over time also. I got the Hank & Henry Midori Beauty Sponge Bundle. These beauty sponges are specifically designed to be versatile all over sponges for liquid and cream application. They can be used wet for a sheer application or dry for fuller coverage. This duo sponge set is $20, which is not too bad because it would be like $10 for each sponge. So I don't think that's too bad. I ended up wetting mine, and I don't know if you could tell, like when I was surprised, it was because how huge the big sponge got, and it was like intense. Like probably like you could use it for a body as well, face and body. I wouldn't use it wet. I use mine wet, but I wouldn't use it wet again because it's too big, and obviously if it's wet it gives a more sheer coverage, and I like more fuller coverage, and I just don't like the hassle of going to wet my sponge anyway, so I never use it wet. I just used it wet for this video. I really like it. It's super, they're both super soft, which I love that. There's a smaller one for concealer and the bigger one for foundation, and the smaller one also for setting my brightening areas. So yeah. And then lastly, I got the Dose of Colors Lip It Up Satin Lipstick. This satin lipstick is a richly pigmented formula in between a matte and creamy finish. Its unique shape allows for smooth and precise application, and this is $17. I got the shade Butterscotch, and I mean, I obviously already knew just from the color of it, it was gonna be too light for me. But I was actually really hoping, because it was like a peachier pink color, so I was hoping it would kind of look good on me. It wouldn't be too light, but I just feel like, where's my lips? I don't know. I mean, it's pretty, but I'm not used to that. It's more browns, but I mean, I might use it again. I might use it with a different makeup and it might look better, but for today, wasn't a big fan. I mean, the formula, I really like the formula of it, but it is what it is. And that is everything I got in my box. The total of everything put together is $126, which is fantastic because I paid $25, so it's $100 more than I paid for. So that's awesome value for what you pay. I enjoyed all the things that I got in my box and the look I created. Soft look, you know, just so I can just go to my couch and just sit down and relax and watch Netflix. But hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what you guys got down below, if you got similar things, what you wanted. I hope you had gotten. If you watched to the very end, put a lipstick emoji down below so I can know that you watched the whole entire thing. I'm curious to see how many of y'all actually watched to the very end. So if you watch to the very end, put a lipstick emoji down below so I know, and I'll give you some extra love because you're bomb.com. Okay, anyway, so that is it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and put your bell notification on so you can know when I post next. Hopefully that'll be soon, so definitely watch out. And I love you guys. Be safe, and see you guys next time. Bye.